In this video, we're going to focus on multiplication table in base 6. We have a question here. Draw the multiplication table in base 6 on the set 1, 2, 3, 4. So how can we do this? Before we start, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and also tap on the bell notification. Now let's get started. So let's draw our table. Now the operational sign is multiplication, so we have our multiplicational sign here. Then the numbers we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the element in the set. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 from here. Now let's start. We have 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 4 is 4. Now let's move on to this 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6. But remember, we are dealing with base 6, so we can write all the 6 here. We have 6, the base is 6, so let's divide it by the 6. 6 goes into 6 one time, remainder 0. So we're going to write 1 remainder 0. So we have 1 remainder 0. 2 times 4 is 8, so we have 8 divided by 6 is 1 remainder 2. So we're going to have 1 remainder 2. Now we are done with the 2, let's move on to the 3. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, so we're going to have 1 remainder 0 because we are dealing with base 6. Then from here we have 3 times 3 is 9, 9 in base 6 is 1 remainder 3. Now let's move on to the next one. We have 3 times 4 is 12, 12 base 6, we're going to have 2 remainder 0. So we have 2 remainder 0 here. Now let's move on to the 4. 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 in base 6, we're going to have 1 remainder 2. 4 times 3 is 12, 12 in base 6, we're going to have 2 remainder 0. Then we have 4 times 4 is 16. 16 is greater than the base. So what we're going to do is to divide the 16 by the base, which is 6. 6 goes into 16 2 times, then remainder 4. So we're going to have 2 remainder 4. So this is how you can draw multiplication table in base 6 for the set 1, 2, 3, 4. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to watch my other videos on addition, subtraction, and multiplication of number bases. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again on the next video. Bye bye.